Good morning, everyone. Man, last night was so cold. Thank God for my new sleeping bag. I bought this at a camping store yesterday for about almost $200. Look at this. It has the head. I can tuck myself in like this. It is so warm inside this camping bag. It's really cool. I love it. Money well spent. Money well spent. It's so cold, like everything is icy. You can see the ice here on the roof. Yeah. Yeah, the last video that I posted, I was on a BLM land, which I had to move because you only allowed to spend 14 days there, and my 14 days is up. So I had to pack my tent and load my stuff in my car and find a different BLM land. I moved to another location. My tent is out there, which I will show you later, but I didn't sleep in it because it's way too cold. Where I am right now, it's a beautiful BLM land. It's beautiful here. It's a small area, and everything is bumper to bumper right now. Like the RVs and the cars were bumper to bumper trying to fit in on this little area. And my neighbor, the one right there in front of me, you know, he's kind of like a party guy. So he's been partying, him and his friends, like four of them out there last night until 1 in the morning, talking and laughing really loud. And I couldn't sleep. And then I have my another neighbor back there behind me. She is sort of special. I mean, this lady is talking my ears off. I feel like I need to go somewhere else and find a new spot today and find a new spot because, yeah, I need a little peace of mind. I mean, yeah, I don't want to be living in the middle of the party at 1 or 2 o'clock at night. I'm not sure if you can hear it. This other guy back there, he has his generator running. Yeah, everything is, we're all too close together, and it's noisy. It's noisy. I'm not gonna lie, but it's a beautiful property, beautiful place, and I'll show you out there later when I get up. I'm waiting until it warms up a bit. You can peek out the window. So you see, everything is bumper to bumper. And this guy right there keep running his generator at night. And in front of me, right there, you see, we all bumper to bumper. And it happened to be that my neighbor like a good party at night, so I'm going into my tent. All right, so now I'm in my tent. My face is puffy. I just woke up. I came down with a cold 2 days ago, and I'm all stuffy, so I'm gonna be sounding a little funny. So let's just make some breakfast and get the hell out of here. I did was I made a little egg and cheese sandwich. Mm. Oh, yeah. Cheese is nice and melted on the eggs. I was gonna pack up my tent and leave and go to another city, but I asked around and there is another city not too far away from where I am right now, like 10-15 minutes away. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to drive over there and check it out before I pull my tent down, see if I can find the perfect spot that I can camp out at. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spend my day doing today. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I came down with a cold, so that's why I sound so stuffy. I've had the cold for 2 days now, so I am very stuffy. I'm taking NyQuil and DayQuil. I took some DayQuil this morning and I took the NyQuil last night, you know, so the coughing stopped, but I'm still stuffy. So I'm trying to stay as warm as possible and get rid of this cold. Yeah. If you know about the desert, it gets very cold at night. In the daytime, it gets very hot. So now I have to change my hats. And yeah, so I'm going to leave my tent here. Let's go check out the other town and see how it is if we want to move over there for 2 weeks. All right, that's my neighbor right there. That's the party guy. He is American Indian. He likes to party. Nice guy. I'm just sitting here enjoying this view. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, any hiking. I'm under the weather. I'm just not feeling, 100%. I'm feeling weak for the past 2 days. Thank God I got the flu shot. If I didn't, I'll be really sick right now. So the flu shot is helping big time. But I'm still taking DayQuil and NyQuil. Yeah, I'm just enjoying this beautiful view right now. Let's head back, pull down that tent and leave and go to another city. Yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere where it's warmer as well. My neighbor, for one, my neighbor is loud, too loud at night, and I'm not feeling my best. So I think I should go somewhere where it's not so, cold. I'm gonna go to another city. Right now I'm in Sedona, Arizona. Beautiful area. It's gorgeous. To tell you the truth, the way I feel right now, I hate to leave Sedona because it's just a beautiful, magical place. But at nighttime, whew, it is so cold. But you know what? The good thing is I can always come back. I can always return. Also, we're getting the bed back in the car. We're going to put everything back in the car. So that's what we're doing now and leave. So you're probably wondering why the straw hat. Honey, it is hot and the sun is beaming down. I woke up this morning cold in a sleeping bag, and by the afternoon it gets so hot. So that kind of weather when you're in the desert. I'm actually making some leftover spaghetti before I leave. I don't know where we're gonna be sleeping tonight or where we're going. I prepared some lunch before hitting the road. I'm eating out of the frying pan. Oh man, it's kind of tough putting the tent away. The wind make it hard to do that. I think I'm definitely gonna need your help. I got the tent in the bag. My neighbor helped me to put it in the bag. That was a lot of work. Trying to get the tent in the bag with that wind. Crazy. Yeah, so right now I am not sure where is my next destination. Where should I go? Should I go east, west, north, or south? I don't know. I have no clue where I'm going, where I'm heading. I have no clue. I'm just winging it from this point. Sedona is beautiful, guys. Sedona is so beautiful. Yeah, so I drove for 4 hours, came upon this cutest little town, and I decided to pull over at the Goodwill. That's the building behind me. Eh, but I'm still not feeling my best, so I am just gonna take some Dayquil right now. Yeah, see, I almost finished the whole bottle. I've been taking it all week, and I still sound stuffy. I have a slight headache, and I'm a little dizzy. So I'm just gonna chill out here today and just take it easy. Later on, I'm gonna find a place to spend the night. I'm not sure where yet, but I'm just gonna relax, let the Dayquil kick in a little bit, and then head out to find a spot. Well, I'm gonna do search an overlander first and find a spot. You know, if so be it, I might stay here for a couple more days if I'm not feeling good at all to drive, Daisy, because it is so cold up there, and now I got sick up in the mountains because it was way too cold. So now coming down here, it's still chilly, but it's not as cold as up in the mountains. So I'm feeling a slight better, a little bit better, but I'm still not 100%. I am just gonna chill out, and I am gonna end the video right here because my head talking makes me more dizzy. My head is hurting a bit. Not a lot, but a bit. So I will check back in with you next week and let's see where I end up. Take care. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.